The adventure begins. God, I'm almost getting a bit emotional. It's a long way down, fellas. Ooh.
It's called being high on life.
It's 4:45 in the morning. Smiles all around.
Excited.
The adventure begins. It's very cold. It's very early. I don't know what else to say.
Peanuts. My boss is late. Missed a tour.
Let's go. We made it.
We're about to start our trek.
Jeez, look how many buses there are. What did you do for 5, 6, 7, 8? There's 585. Shut up. I counted 800. This is nuts. The first leg has begun. You guys ready? We've already got behind. I'm already out of breath. I've got walking boots. Walking boots. No walking boots. No walking boots. No walking boots. Woo! Exciting. So exciting.
Yeah, it's tracking behind already though.
Got the leaves.
Serotonin.
How much am I supposed to take, man?
Coca leaves. Just put a mouthful and keep on chewing on it. Woo! Come on. Come on. This is so crazy. You got a hot take for us?
Hot take on the walk.
Give us a hot take.
Got a couple people struggling. I've seen a couple of donkeys, a couple of mules. Seen one fella ride a mule down the hill, which apparently bad for their backs. But
How are you guys feeling?
Pretty out of breath.
pretty good, pretty good.
Almost at the top. The air is getting thinner. The sky is getting wider. The mountains are getting bigger. And the opposition is getting thinner. But we persevere. We just keep getting higher and higher. Surely you can't be serious. I am serious. And don't call me Shirley. Puffing and puffing. Chugging and moving. Made it.
There's some Easter biscuit thing.
It's a traditional Easter galetta. What does it taste like?
Tastes like sugary.
Tastes like home. It tastes like something that's nostalgic. Like it should be nostalgic, but I've never had it before. Like,
Oh my god, there's a
like
dog.
really good pastry.
What did you say? Oh,
Lyrics to the song. But I'm on top of
God, I'm almost getting a bit emotional. I've got my sunglasses on. This is just... yeah. Really can't describe. I feel myself whenever I speak to the camera. I'm lost for words because whenever I whip it out, I'm somewhere where I'm quite literally speechless. I'm not illiterate. I just, there are no words. Seriously special. Wow. Having a serious moment here right now. It was a huff and a puff to get up here. It's literally vertical. But God, is it worth it? God, is it worth it? The camera does not do it justice. I have not done anything this beautiful in my life. Mr. ACL, gotta look after the weak ones. Can't all be as strong. You're a beautiful boy. Almost at the bottom. Caught up with Hank and Mark. Looks like a big clap. Had our first lunch up there with a crazy view, and now we're walking down into our accommodation, and they're like little huts, 2 people per hut. It's really cool. My knees hurt from all the walking. Right, these are the huts. We get to decide which one. That one looks nice. This is our home.
To our little
Paradise. Super basic.
Oh, the view we're gonna wake up to tomorrow.
Right. These guys have got their own room.
We actually probably could.
We could. How cool are these?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Did you get that on film?
Yeah, I did. Whoa! Whoa! This is awesome, guys. Campsite is so far from the actual dining bit, which is up there. So you have to walk up all these stairs. Beautiful morning though. I'm already sweating. Nice
Got my own personal, all for me.
What is it? Is that
Hot chocolate?
Alright, are you ready, Changos?
Aku.
But nothing more to give.
Day 2. We're walking 21 kilometers today. Yeah, 6k of it is up.
It's called the
Do you reckon
Gringo
it-
Killer.
The
So we
Gringo.
might die.
Being gringos, our lives are in danger.
I'm not gonna lie, I think I might have COVID.
This wasn't in the brochure.
But I think it's just a cold air. I'm not popping that.
I've never been, so I don't know how to leave.
That looks very, very atmospheric.
Cold, the valleys deep, and mountains old. We march away to break of day.
Hot take, George is gonna fail first.
Upwards, slowly and steady.
Tired of posing on a tilted wall. I love it when they call me ugly. Oh, I love it when they call me ugly.
Oh my god, wow. This is the first I'm seeing this. First reaction.
Pull my hair, and I might just fall in love.
Smells like a dentist's office.
Tried to
In a good
kill
way.
me
While men smell it to give them energy.
He might just be the one.
One of these. Give me one of those. Come on.
More.
Call my name I've never met.
I think we're about halfway up the Gringo Killer. We left at 5:50. No, sorry, 6:50. It's now 8:30ish. We walked 2 hours.
So halfway sounds about right.
Sounds about right. We feel very
The
good.
coca leaves, oh my god.
Surreal.
Tired of posing on a tilted world. I love it when they call me ugly.
No doctors up here.
I love it when they call me ugly. If I've ever done anything wrong, it's not being born a man. I've never done anything wrong, I just wasn't born a
Hot take?
man.
Hot take. Too much cocoa in my mouth, I think.
It's called being high on life.
I'm sure I'd be having more fun
Yeah,
if I was born a man. I've never done anything wrong. I'm not having very much fun. I've
that you
never
got?
done anything wrong.
Llama dick,
I'm
stick.
not having very
Llama stick at 4,600 meters.
What else do you need? What else do you need? Coca leaves.
4,600. You feel being at 4,600 meters.
Actually feel really good.
I love it when they call me ugly. Oh, oh, oh. I love it when they call me
There are no words. Merlin, hot take, how you feeling?
Hot take.
Very happy. That's it? That's all you got to say? We happy?
You heard it here first, folks.
The icy water. Right, it's like crystal clear. Our guide Tupac just gave us a little flute rendition, gave us some tequila, and we offered some coca leaves to his ancestors, are part of this mountain. He's such an amazing guide, so knowledgeable, so generous, and in no way does this feel like a tourist trap, or he cares about what he's doing. Update, we just had lunch and we're now...
Yeah, very tired.
My lips are sore, my eyes are sore, my legs are sore. Cool place for lunch though.
The mist is seriously rolling in.
We've gone from the mountains down to the jungle. From 4,600 meters to I think we're now about 3,000 and dropping rapidly. Really not good on the knees. There's just these giant mountains all around us. Everyone's happy. There's a lot of these crossings. Awesome waterfalls from the mountain. Dried mango never tasted so good. In the jungle, baby. Wow. Wow. We're about an hour away from camp, are we not? We have been walking all day since about 6:45 this AM, and it's now about almost 4:45. So we've almost been walking for 10 hours, guys. Like non-stop. Like we stopped for lunch, we stopped for snacks, but we just keep going. The terrain has changed so much. We're in the cold, snowy mountains, what feels like 60 seconds ago, and now, look at this shit. Hank, you said there were no landslides on this end? Looks like there was a fresh landslide not too long ago. Look at this boulder sticking out. Woo! Rapids! You got like a little hut over there. What's that for? This is absolutely craziness. I want to run under it. We're on the cliff's edge. Woo! It's a long way down, fellas. It's a long way down. Flowers. Very nice. Pretty flowers. Pretty flowers. Pretty flowers. Pretty waterfall. Pretty lady. Oh, who's this? Who's a very pretty boy. Oh, hell yeah. You made it. Casa Parados. Oh man. God, I just want to take my shoes off. Taking my boots off. After 10 hours of drinking. Bit of rum. That's not all rum, that's a bit of ginger.
To rum?
To rum.
To...
No, to us.
To rum, to Salkantay, and then to...
The mountains, to the rivers, to the... You can hear the waterfall behind us. Buenas noches, brother.